In the bustling city of Sydney, where the fast pace of life can often feel overwhelming, many people seek refuge in the serene embrace of nature. The stunning landscapes of Sydney, from its pristine beaches to lush parks, offer the perfect escape for those looking to move away from the stress of daily life. As you wander through places like the Royal Botanic Garden, where the tranquil sounds of rustling leaves and chirping birds surround you, it's easy to feel the weight of the world lift off your shoulders. The coastal walks, like the famous Bondi to Coogee Trail, offer breathtaking views of the ocean, where the rhythmic crashing of waves creates a natural melody that soothes the soul. Even a simple stroll along the Sydney Harbour, with its iconic views of the Opera House and Harbour Bridge, can bring a sense of peace and happiness. The connection with nature, whether through the calming waters, the open skies, or the vibrant greenery, allows one to reset, recharge, and find joy in the simple pleasures of life. For those who take the time to immerse themselves in Sydney's natural beauty, the rewards are immense. The stresses of city life fade away, replaced by a deep sense of contentment and well-being. It's a reminder that happiness often lies in the simplest of things, a quiet moment in nature, a deep breath of fresh air, and the soothing sights and sounds that only the natural world can offer. As I continued my journey through Sydney's natural beauty, I stumbled upon a peaceful river where two ducks were gracefully gliding through the water, enjoying their freedom. In this quiet moment, I was reminded of the simple joys that nature offers. Just like these ducks, we too can find tranquility in the calm embrace of our surroundings. While some people spend a great deal of money in search of happiness, luxury vacations, expensive gadgets, or lavish lifestyles, others find true contentment in the simplest of pleasures. It's not about the cost, but about the experience. Take a moment in nature, for instance. Watching the sunset over the ocean, feeling the breeze on your face, or simply observing two ducks gliding freely across a river, these moments cost nothing, yet they have the power to fill our hearts with a deep sense of joy and peace. In the end, happiness isn't something you can buy. It's found in the quiet, meaningful experiences that connect us to the world around us, reminding us of the beauty and simplicity.